Experiencing a frozen Tesla screen? Don't worry, a simple restart can often solve the problem. Your Tesla's infotainment system, or MCU, can sometimes glitch due to software bugs or memory overload. The quickest and most reliable method is the steering wheel button reset. Simultaneously press and hold both scroll buttons on your steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds. The screen will go black, display the Tesla logo, and reboot. This soft reset clears temporary memory without affecting your car's settings. For unresponsive touchscreens, try tapping the power button, if visible, or using the voice command, "Hey Tesla, restart infotainment." However, the steering wheel method is generally more effective for hard freezes. Tesla's infotainment system is constantly evolving. Over-the-air updates are becoming more frequent, proactively addressing issues and reducing the need for manual resets. The Hey Tesla voice assistant is improving, allowing for voice-triggered resets. While resets are a useful temporary fix, Tesla is working towards self-healing software that can automatically resolve minor issues. Future trends include greater AI integration and more robust chipsets to minimize glitches. Keep your Tesla software up to date to ensure the most stable and user-friendly experience. Remember, if resets become frequent, contact Tesla service.